Welcome. This is another score analysis / score mock-up. I'm Ramon Rodgers, and today we're going to be working on a film by Leslie Bricusse and Anthony Newley, Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. I actually picked this one because it's outside of my comfort zone again. That's kind of the goal. You really want to pick a score that means a lot to you. It's the best way to learn. It's just to recreate the score from scratch. This one's completely by ear, and I'll tell you, these composers have credits that go on for pages. So they've done the original Scrooge for both film and Broadway, Dr. Dolittle, Peter Pan for TV, film and Broadway. But it's a small Hollywood orchestra sound. It's not huge and bombastic that you'd get from maybe a Mahler or Holst orchestration, but something smaller for Hollywood or Broadway. Broadway was really starting to reach its stride. You had Andrew Lloyd Webber coming out with Joseph and the Amazing Technicolor Dreamcoat, Jesus Christ Superstar, Evita. So you'll hear that influence from this time frame. There's so many different versions of Pure Imagination, elements from Golden Ticket wrapped in a march band style. So it's heavy on brass, kind of heavy on percussion. And I love the transition between the two, so I wanted to see if I could recreate this one pretty accurately. So here goes. So there's a library from Spitfire Audio called Bernard Herrmann Composer's Toolkit, which probably would be perfect for this composition, but I didn't have it at the time. Anyway, comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you would change. Let me know what I can improve on. If you liked it, smash the like button. If you hated it, put it in the comments and tell me that. More to come. I'm actually working on one right now. So talk to you soon.